Let's see how you can apply the footer to your visualization. The footer is another feature that is mutual among our charts, since it is a place to display links and sources related to your data to increase credibility. In the PlotSet panel, under the footer category, you can see the options for the footer customization. Alignment allows you to choose the place for the footer, left, right, or center. The source label is the word or phrase you want to use as a label for the source. If you'd like to add a title for the URL link, write it in the URL name field. The URL field is to place the link to the source of your data. You can now customize the font size and color. Use Note 1 and Note 2 to add more information about the source or the visualized data. Don't forget to customize them. Using the border option, you can separate the footer from the rest of the plot. In case you'd like to learn more about the footer, there's a blog post on our website you can check out. Thank you for watching.